Okay. Good morning. It is 5 minutes to noon. So good morning. This is going to be my requested makeup look. I already told you guys I was going to film this, and it is with the Boxycharm palette that I got in my Boxycharm for the month of March. So I will be recreating that look that you guys saw. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So there's a mirror. So I will be using this as a mirror. So the look that I created was like a really cute, like a rusty, sunset-y kind of color. I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and I will be doing the rest of my face off camera, but I do want to film this for you guys so then you guys can see the look. So I will be going in with 4 to 5 different colors, and I already showed you guys them. It is this one here, this one, and this one, and this one. So I will be recreating that look for you guys, and I'm super excited. So I will bring you guys closer so you guys can see. So I'm just gonna set my eyes. With the white color that is included in this palette. So I took this brush first, and this is my Morphe M504 brush. And with premium first, and you guys will see that it is like a yellow, but I think it's like a cute yellow. It's not like bright yellow, but it did pull the look together. So, and I do also want to mention that this palette is really nice. It's very pigmented. And so I did like that a lot. So I'm excited to go in with the other colors and see how well they work for me. So that is that. And then I'm going to go in with Spoiler. And like I said, Spoiler is just like a more brighter orangey color. So I will put that also in my crease as a transition color. And blend away. Okay, and then the next thing that I did was I took Sneak Peek, which is this like a shimmery brown beige color, and then I took this gold luxe color. Going in with my eyeshadow brush in E55 by Sigma. So we will take Sneak Peek all over the lid first. And now I'm going in to Luxe, and Luxe is just going to give that gold look. So now I'm going to go into Cup of Joe, and Cup of Joe is this cute color here. And I will be darkening up the corners of my eyes. So that is that. And what I'm going to do actually, I will be doing the rest of my face off camera, and then I will be back to finish this look up. So that is not the finished look, but that is what we have. How's my face look? Does my face look beat? So I just applied the rest of my face. Now I'm going to finish with my eyes, and let me move you guys up. I am going to finish with the rest of my eyes, and what I like to do is, and I do this a lot, I just look at my eyes and see if I need to touch them up. They look really good. They look better than, to be honest, they look better than the first time I did it. So I am just going to kind of lightly brush just to blend. I don't want any harsh lines. So, and now after doing that, I am going to be taking, this is a secret, a lot of people know about this, so it's not a secret anymore, but take your makeup setting spray and take a flat brush, and this, you can do this on any, if you have like eyeshadow that's like, you know, kind of like this gold one here, you can get your brush wet and pack it on there, your choice of eyeshadow, and it's just going to make it even more pigmented. Do you guys see that? Isn't that awesome? Now you can also do this with your finger. Your finger has the same effect, but we're gonna be sanitary right now, okay? Coronavirus is out there, so we'll just do it this way. So isn't that pretty? I think it's just so pretty. And here you go. So there's more pigment. So I am going to focus now on the lash line down here. And the reason why I'm focusing, I'm baking also, by the way. The reason I'm focusing down here is, if you guys know, if you guys have like wrinkles and stuff, and you bring your eyeshadow on your lower lash line, it kind of gets not rid, but like it'll make your lines, it'll make your wrinkles or like the lines down there disappear because there's eyeshadow on them. So that is what we're going to be doing. My Morphe E19 brush, and this is just a like super skinny brush. And the color I am going to be taking is going to be Cup of Joe. So this one here is the one that I'm going to be taking, and this is just going to complete the rest of the look. Eyeshadow on my eye. So don't worry about it looking crazy right now, because we will be blending it out. I love adding eyeshadow to my lower lashes. I think it just completes everything. So now I'm going to be going in with a brush just to kind of blend everything out. So the one I'm going to be going in is this Boxycharm brush, and you just want to kind of blend everything out so then there are no harsh lines. Looks really good. I'm just going to add mascara quick. I'm going to go in with this one. I know I've already raved about this one. Highly recommend. It is the Milani highly rated mascara. So freaking good. Oh my god, I can't get enough of this. I've seen me literally use all of these, so I don't think I even have to tell you which ones I'm using. And one final thing. It looks amazing. Do you guys like it? So this is the look that I came up with. This is the look that I recreated. I hope you guys like it. Leave in the comments below if you liked it. And let me know if you want me to do more looks like this. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.